Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase without verification. First, it's crucial to understand that Coinbase is a regulated platform requiring identity verification for most buying, selling, and trading activities. Without completing full Know Your Customer, or KIC, procedures, your account functionalities will be severely limited. You can typically receive cryptocurrency into a Coinbase wallet without extensive verification, but sending or converting it often requires more. With a basic, unverified Coinbase account, you can primarily receive a wide range of cryptocurrencies. This means you can get Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital assets sent to your Coinbase wallet address. You can also browse market data and monitor price movements. However, to send these assets out of your wallet or convert them into other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency, you will almost certainly need to complete identity verification. Coinbase implements verification processes to comply with global financial regulations and anti-money laundering laws. This protects both the platform and its users from fraudulent activities. Without these checks, the platform could not operate legally in many regions. If you seek to transact without any identity verification, you might need to explore decentralized exchanges, which operate differently and carry their own set of risks and complexities. In summary, while you can create a Coinbase account and receive cryptocurrency without extensive verification, full access to buying, selling, and withdrawing funds necessitates completing their identity verification process. This ensures a secure and compliant trading environment for everyone. Always prioritize security when dealing with digital assets. Also, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.